Hi there. I have here what's called Scalex Mite and Lice spray for birds. It's for birds, but it is toxic. You have to use it very, very carefully. You can spray the cage, wash the cage and spray it, and then put the bird in it. But make sure you don't spray it a lot. This is primarily for spraying the bird lightly. And you're just supposed to mist it, and don't try not to get it in the eyes and around the beak area. And I don't know. It's supposed to be safe and supposed to work, but I would do more research online before I use it. Be careful when you're messing around with toxic stuff like this on your little birds. So what I suggest is, like it says here, caution. Yeah, before you buy it, do your research, talk to your veterinarian if you have a decent veterinarian, and let them know what's going on. Maybe they can guide you, or the person at the pet store. Although it's on the shelf, it might not be the perfect item for you. So proceed with caution. Thanks for stopping by.